Okay, so it's that time of the year where spring comes out. You want to get your car looking its best. So a spring cleaning must be done. And if you're in the Northeast or where the snow season is over, you'll have to switch wheels and tires for the summer. By the way, I have a video about spring cleaning without removing the wheels. I'll have a link in the description. So in today's video, I'll show you the tools, the detailing products, and the techniques, how to deep clean and refresh your wheel and tire package, and then you can store them for the next season or put them back on the car. This is a simple process that would work for any wheels and tire, by the way, so you don't have to be in my exact situation to do this whole process. Okay, for the cleaning part, I am working inside, but you can do everything outside as long as you don't let the chemical bake in the sun on your wheels. Don't let the product dry, it's very important. This is why working in a garage or in the shade is ideal. Now for this wheel and tire makeover, you'll need a couple easy things to get. First, a medium stiff brush. Today I'm using a specific tire brush by the company called W55. You'll need a couple microfiber to scrub and dry the wheel faces and barrel. You'll need a heavy duty cleaner, safe for clear coat. Today I'm testing two different detailing products. First one being BOLA Solution W55 2-in-1 wheel cleaner. The second detailing product is Adam's wheel and tire cleaner. Both are targeted towards caked up tires and nasty wheels. You could try something you already have like an APC, an all-purpose cleaner, or a simple green, but they would most likely struggle for the brownie tires. Obviously, you'll need a water source like a pressure washer. Today I'm simply using a garden hose. It'll work just fine to rinse the chemical and the dirt. First off, I like to spray my tires when they are dry so the chemical can attack the tire at the source. Now make sure to be thorough when scrubbing. The tire sidewall aren't totally flat in most cases, so we want an even, clean surface. Check out the amount of dirt being lifted off from our two wheel cleaners. Guys, I'll have the link in the description. If you need any detailing supplies, use the code DOGMA. Okay, so stick until the end if you want to find out which cleaner is the best, which cleaner won this battle. I'll show you all four wheels all dried up when we're done. Now to the wheel face and barrel, it's a good time to go in all the nooks and crannies with a Borzer brush from Detail Factory. Remember, there's one side of the tire facing the center of the car that we can never clean when the rim is mounted on the car. You can use an iron remover or an acid cleaner if you have some really bad buildup. Otherwise, I like to wipe off the barrel with a microfiber towel. All the dirt is loosened by our quality wheel cleaners, so it just needs a simple once over. By the way, guys, tires have embedded dirt, not so much loose dirt. So even if we rinse them first, that won't remove much. And we'll do the two other tires wet so you can witness the difference. For the next two tires, we'll rinse them first, apply our cleaner and scrub. You'll see that the browning effect is not as dramatic that way. And I'll fast forward this whole process, this whole clip in less than a minute, and then I'll show you the result and I'll tell you who won the battle. Now we rinse everything and dry the wheel with a microfiber. You can let the tire air dry or use force air, but I don't like to leave water on the clear coat, on the glossy clear coat paint, so I don't end up with hard water spots. The two left wheel and tire BOLA solution, and on the right side Adams wheel and tire cleaner. The wheels are neat now and ready for the next season, so I can store them in the shed and not worry about any degradation whatsoever. Okay, so pay attention to the tire sidewall. Both cleaners did really well on the wheel itself, but pay attention to the sidewall of the tire. For the BOLA solution side, we still have some brown on the sidewall here and there, while the Adams side is almost perfect. Very powerful product, probably one of my favorite for neglected wheels and tire. So I will keep BOLA Solution W55 for maintenance of wheels, and if I have really bad trash tires, I will go ahead and get Adams wheel and tire cleaner. If you want to learn more on the spring cleaning detailing, click on this video right here, and with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.